does pre-approval last? Let's say it is your year goal to purchase a home, but you're not purchasing in the next 90 days. Should you really be doing it now, or should you be waiting a little while? Here's the deal. Your credit expires every 120 days, but the odds of you not having to pull your credit more than once are kind of slim anyways, so it's still better to plan ahead and get your information updated and so you can plan for your cash to close and your down payment versus waiting until 30 days before you decide you want to purchase a house. And you have no idea how long that house hunt might take. It could take a few months for you to get an accepted offer on a home. Another common question people have is it going to hurt my credit if I have you pull my credit now and then pull it again once I'm under contract? The answer is no. What hurts your credit is by having multiple different people, like institutions, pull your credit. So if you apply for a mortgage and a car loan and 3 store credit cards, that is not great for your credit because it shows to the bureaus that you're trying to max out the amount of debt that you owe. If you have myself and 2 other lenders pull your credit, that's actually usually isn't going to create any harm. That just shows the bureaus you're shopping around for a mortgage.